May tao sa kabilang line. We have RJ of Makati. Hello, RJ.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Wow. And oh my God. O, di ba kulang sa load? Balikan natin. May load ba siya? Wala. Baka sabi, binaba natin to mga kaibigan. One-man show po ito. Ako po gagawa ng lahat ng bagay. Diyan lang po kayo mga kaibigan. Habang nire-redial po natin to. Kaya mga kapatid. Aha. Uy, may sumagot. Sabi na sumagot. Sorry, the owner of the phone number you dialed is eating right now. Huh? Alam. Eating right now. Taray. Tan-tananin. Hindi raw. The phone number you dialed is a homosexual. Ha? Ano sabi?
Hello?
Hi, what happened?
I don't know.
Kunyari ko, wala ka ng load eh.
Alam mo naman pala kay tatanong ka pa.
Diba? Mood na lang, good mood ako ngayon, di ako inaantok.
Really? Did you drink Cobra now?
Wow! Teka lang mga kaibigan, re-rest back to ha. What did you say? You tell me again, ask me again, I will answer again.
I can talk Tagalog if you want.
No, I can speak English. What do you think of me? Thinking of you? Oh, you talk to me now, right?
Are you hot?
What? Hi? Oh, huh? Am I hot?
Yeah, you just said it on the text message. You
All
said
right.
you were hot.
Yeah, I'm losing hot. I'm flaming hot.
Oh, really?
Are you hot?
No, I'm cold. I'm feeling cold at the moment.
Okay, go burn yourself.
Do you have matches?
Pinatulan. Parang tangalan din to, no? Alright, Rio. Ay, Rio pala. RJ pala.
I'm not real.
Sorry. I didn't mean to, you know.
I told you drink Cobra now.
You saw me drink Cobra?
No, how could I see you drinking Cobra? I don't know where you are.
Well, I'm right here and you're right there. Alright, RJ. I want to ask you something. I want to ask you something.
Yeah, sure.
How age are you?
How age, or maybe what is my age?
Basta, yung tanong ko ba alam mo ka? How age are you nga eh?
29.
29.
Yeah.
And we don't have any photos of you, like photographs?
I don't have a Facebook.
You don't have a Facebook?
Yeah.
Really? How come?
Really?
You know, that's Salem Ching's favorite book, Facebook. All right, RJ.
Yeah.
Would you try to speak louder for me, please?
I'm actually shouting now here.
Okay, you have to shout a little, louder. I'm having a hard time understanding you.
Okay, I'm sorry.
All right. You sound like as if you're under the sea.
Yeah, I was there about 2 days ago.
Under the sea?
Yeah.
What did you do there?
Nice.
What sea? What sea?
The Red Sea.
Baliw. Isa pa mga kaibigan, no? So what do you do in life, RJ?
Nothing.
Like stay at home, bum? That?
Maybe.
So how do you like when you want to go out, mall? How do you finance yourself?
I like traveling.
You travel and you don't have any job.
Well, my husband do that for me.
All right. So you tell me right away. What is your husband's job? What?
What?
What is his job?
Well, it's personal. I can't say it. I mean, it's too private.
Really?
Yeah.
Is he doing something illegal?
You're crazy.
What?
Sit out.
Ikaw din.
Thank you.
So, RJ,
Yeah.
what is the purpose or the reason that you called me this morning?
This is Wild Confessions, right?
You have a husband.
Yes.
Okay. And how young is your husband?
35.
25.
No, 35.
35. And he provides you when you travel.
Well, yeah, but
What?
and when he loves.
Coco. Okay. You're going to tell me a story, right?
I think so.
All right. You're not sure?
What?
You're not sure?
I'm sure.
Papa Jack, wala ka bang bagong expression? Ang sakit na ng bacon ka nangingialam kasi kayo eh. Papa Jack, ready na pong dumugo ang ilong ko. Maayos, kaya ko to. Just kapit-kapit na mga brace yourselves. We're just about to engage.
Explode.
All
We're
right.
just about to explode.
Really?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. I can see that you love some explosions.
No,
Do you want to explode?
I've already exploded.
Okay, so what part right now is exploding?
Let me see. Can you guess it?
Well, I am not a fortune teller. Sadly, I don't have my crystal right now, and I don't have my tarot cards.
Okay.
All right. You're
Go.
a week ago?
Yes.
All right. So it happened when or where?
I come from Britain.
In So last week,
Yeah.
where were you? What did you do there?
I went there for a business meeting.
Really? I thought your husband is the businessman and you are just a bomb and you went
No,
out for a
of course
business meeting?
not. I'm working.
I don't need jokers right now.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I don't need jokers. I don't need you here.
Okay.
Stop beating around the bush, right?
I don't like Bush. I like Obama.
Wow. Nice line. We're going to talk now about your confession?
Yeah.
Or are you going to brag around about your travels?
Which one you preferred?
I don't care. What happened?
It was last week.
All right. Where were you?
I was in Istanbul
Who were you with?
with my business partner. No way, you freak. No,
You Rick. Oh,
you're addict, not me.
so you were a business partner,
Yeah.
which happens to be your husband.
No, my husband is my boss.
Okay. So you did something naughty in Istanbul.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. Saan ba to? Isa may Donggalo lang, di ba?
Turkey.
Turkey. Wow. Dahil pato dyan.
Madami, gusto mo?
Hindi ko gusto.
Bakit?
Ewan ko sa'yo.
You know, I talked to you before.
Papa Jack, pwede bang bagalan niyo mag-English? Hindi ako makasunod, sabi dito. Huwag nyo nang pilit na nga pagkaka-English ko eh. Nagdidiman pa kayo. Ang ganda ng boses niyan, mukhang Burgis. Alright, so you traveled to Istanbul with a
Yeah.
business partner.
Yes.
Alright. And then, what happened?
And then, we went to a party. Like, it's a
Ano sabi? Kasi mas straight up.
Nagpunta kami ng ng bar.
Bar. You were with whom?
With a co-business partner.
Anyway, is this a guy or a girl?
No, it's a mix. Mixed girls, boys,
How many guys were there?
5.
How many boys were there? Oh, girls were there.
Girls, 3, and I'm the 4th one.
All right. So that makes up, there were 9 of you. All right. And then, so you went out and like bar hopping, partying out, and what happened next?
And then, we were at the bar. Tapos, Shortcut na lang.
Sige, okay lang. I have all night.
Really? Okay, we had some drinks over there, and then I know...
Over there?
Yeah.
Why not do it?
Asking me.
I did.
You're funny though.
I am.
But I talked to you before, you know. I don't
Yeah.
know if you remember. I think you remember me.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I don't like to remember you.
Why? What did I've done wrong?
I don't know. Just go on with your story.
Oh, that's too unfair.
But why? Why is it unfair? You tell me. Explain to me in three paragraphs. You know.
No?
Wala.
So did you go out with your hubby that night? You went out partying?
Yeah, he came around 12.
Oh, it doesn't sound right. He came, okay. He went along.
He came
All right.
around.
So what happened? Where's the confession?
Okay, and then after that we were done about around 4 o'clock in the morning,
Uh-huh.
and then we went to our room,
Uh-huh.
and then my hubby told me that he still wanna
All right.
drink, so
What did he tell you?
he still wanna drink more,
Okay.
and then he went back to the club, and then
Where
I
did
was
he
alone.
go?
Clubbing.
Oh, just the two of you.
What?
Oh, so he went back. He went back alone.
No, not me, my hubby.
Yeah, just him alone.
Yeah.
All right.
Tapos,
Hirap
I
na
was
to,
alone
ha?
there.
Kaya Lunsing, hirap na ako dito.
No, you can. And then,
Yeah, I can. Kaya ko to.
I go hide.
I know I can hear you.
So,
And then,
naiwan ka mag-isa sa kwarto.
oo.
Okay.
Tapos, around 6 o'clock in the morning na bumalik yung hubby ko. After that, he came. And
Ayun
then
naman sa hikim na. Ha?
Ano?
Wala.
Ikaw na magtuloy.
I wasn't there. I didn't see it.
I know.
All right, go hide.
Tapos, so, lasing na yung hubby ko, so, I told him na he go to sleep na.
Okay.
So, he slept. Tapos, siguro 30 minutes lang, and he was shouting. I thought he was dreaming. Tapos, I came near to him, and then I told him what happened, and then he was telling me that, nothing, I just called your name, so, blah, blah, blah. So I said, okay, go to sleep. Do you want to sleep now? Papa, cat!
Oh, you're there pala, sorry. Sorry. All right. I fell asleep.
Oh, you fell asleep.
So, where's the confession?
Okay, sige, dun na tayo. And then, and after that, he started, kissing
Where?
from the eyes, nose, and
From the eyes? Why? Is the tongue of your husband an ophthalmologist?
Aray ko.
Aray ko too.
Papa. And then, yeah, and then we kissed, and then after that, so,
Ano ba? Puro kapag na.
You're interrupting me kasi.
Well, sometimes interruption could bring you pleasure.
Oh, really?
I'm just saying.
Okay, keep interrupting me then.
I don't want to pleasure you. All right.
I don't want either.
Well, good.